Hey guys, what's up? What's up? It's your girl Shan, and I want to say thank you for visiting my channel. Today I have a special makeup tutorial for my beginners. All right, but first, before I get into the video, please, I would love for you to subscribe, like, and don't forget to click the bell so you can get all the notifications. All right, so let's get into it. So this video is for my beginners, and I want to show you guys how to achieve that natural everyday look. All right, so just know that I got you. All right, so let's get into it.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in.
Okay, babes, let's get glowed up. So right now, as you can see, my brows is already on fleek and done. I have the link in the description box to that video. Also, my face is already moisturized with a little coconut oil. Please use whatever moisturizer of choice. And my face is already prepped with the e.l.f. primer. All right, so now I am applying my foundation. I only use 2 pumps, and you can go in a circular motion and just evenly distribute the foundation all over your face. Rule number 1, guys, never forget under your neck. It's easy to forget, but you want to bring that foundation under your chin and on the top layer of your neck to make sure it's matched. Okay, what I'm doing right now is just applying a lighter shade of foundation just to cover my mouth area. Most colored girls may have some uneven skin or maybe have a darker area around their mouth. I am one of those girls, so you can either apply a color corrector or a concealer for that. I just simply just add another foundation over it, and it looks pretty natural to me. So you have a choice, concealer or another foundation. So what I'm doing right here is just making sure that my foundation is fully blended out properly. The goal is blend. Make sure everything is even out. Spend that time, because I just hate to see foundation that is not properly blended out on your skin.
Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be close.
Okay guys, so now let's add the concealer. Let's hide those bags. Let's hide those dark circles and bring some light under our eyes. All right, so I'm using this concealer to hide my bags. Ever since I've become a mom, I've been sleep deprived, and as a result, I have a little bag. They're not too bad, but this concealer will be able to do the trick. All right guys, so right here, after I highlight under my eye, I'm also going to make a straight line down my nose. This is how I am going to highlight and contour my nose. So the first thing you do is make a straight line down your nose, and you will see how the finished product will be when I start to contour my face. So right now the highlighter is just to highlight, and then I'm going to be using a darker shade to contour my face so all my beautiful features could stand out.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
All right, so what I'm doing right here now, I use a sponge to tap and kind of bake in the concealer into my face. All right, so I'm just using a sponge to making sure that it blends out properly. Now you see the difference with the sponge. You can also use a brush with it as well.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up.
When you're starting out as a beginner, you don't want to get those expensive beauty blender brush for $20. So these, I bought a pack of these sponge at the dollar store for like $1. Yeah. So it works pretty affordable. The products I'm using are all drugstore products. So as a beginner, this will be good for you to start with.
Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up.
So right here, I'm using a second concealer, which is a little bit lighter to really make under my eye pop. All right, so this is optional. The way I have it right now with the concealer is fine. So this one is just a little lighter, and it's gonna really make my under my eyes stand out. But again, it's not gonna be that bright, so don't worry about it. I will definitely show you how to tone it down so it looks natural. Again, we're going for that natural everyday look that you could wear. You could go to work, if you're just chilling, going to the store. It will just be simple and natural. All right.
If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. You OPN. Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
All right, so here I'm just trying to give the concealer some time to dry on my face so it could bake in a little bit. Let it set for a little bit. All right, and as you notice, I use the concealer with the brush at the end, so I don't have to use additional brushes. Again, doing the same thing, tap, 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 and blending it out, starting from the outer part and then going in. All right, the goal is blending. Tap, tap, tap.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda.
All right, so here I'm using my Black Radiance Black pressed powder. I'm using a makeup powder brush. Now that my foundation is definitely dry, and as you notice, I'm not going over my concealer. I'm just blending out the edge of my concealer, because what I'm going to do is add another pressed powder with a different tone, a lighter tone, to set my concealer.
Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN.
Okay, so now that my concealer is dry, I can now use my pressed powder. Another one is a lighter shade that goes under my eye. It has a little some golden flakes in it, so it makes under my eye looks bright. And then I go ahead and use my powder brush again to making sure that it's all blended out properly. I just hate that excessive powder on my face, and being that I have nice skin already, you don't need to put like triple, double amount of powder on your face. All right, so here goes my bronzer. I love this bronzer. It's very cheap. I believe I got it from Walgreens. Again, I'll put the description below. But what I'm doing is contouring my cheeks. And how you can do it as a beginner, make the number 3 from the top. You swoop down under your cheekbone and then under your jaw area. So I'm also using another contour kit to make under my cheek a little bit more pronounced. All right, there you go. I will also use, that's the lighter one under my eye. It's very shimmery, so it still makes under my eye look, you know, popping. I love it, so it's glowing. So another one, there you go. You see the difference, right? I just love it. It really highlights under my eye to make it nice and pretty and bright. And that's what you want, right? You want your eyes to pop. I love using that word, pop. It's time for the glow up. So right now I'm highlighting my cheek, highlighting the top of it so you can just glow. All right, so look for the top of your cheekbone, and there you go. Highlighting it so it looks nice. So when you smile, you glisten in the sun. You're glowing, baby. Glow, baby.
Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open.
And here comes the blush. Let's put some color in those beautiful cheeks. All you gotta do, smile, look at yourself and say, hey, I'm beautiful. Give you the biggest smile. Just think of something beautiful, and then you just color them cheeks in a circular motion. That's it. You got it, girl. You got it. All right, guys, so the goal is to get that natural look. It's pretty much done. So right now I'm just using a brown, natural brown eyeshadow for my eyes, going back and forth to kind of highlight contour my eyes. All right, so just going with a little bit darker brown shade, and I'm applying it all over my eye as well, and just also making sure that my crease, going back and forth in my crease. All right, and then pretty much I'm just gonna add a little gold on the lid of my eye, and it's pretty much done after that. It's really easy, simple, quick, everyday wear to go to work, and that's it. And I literally just use my finger and apply a little gold on the lid of my eye, and we're done. So it's simple, quick, easy, natural for someone that really doesn't know much about makeup, and you can still look good, you can still look natural, you can still glow. All right,
Request my chariot, get ya. The doors open. Take the hot road and hop in. First impression.
all right, so I am just applying some highlighter under my brow bone, again to make it pop and highlighted very lightly, nothing too fancy. All right,
I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a puffball.
all right, here I am going to add a black eyeliner, again just to give my eye some definition. And you know, the black eyeliner kind of make your eyes look a little bit smaller. Just giving it some definition.
And what you want to do is start from the outer part of your eyes and go to the inner part of your eyes. All right, guys, so I'm just finishing up. See, these are just the finishing touch. I am using a black eyeliner to again, just to create some definition over my eyelid, really thin. I am so bad at this, oh my god, but you get the picture.
Open up, you OPN, bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya.
So I almost forgot to contour my nose. So here goes. Straight line at the side, the darker, the same color that I use under my cheek to contour my cheek. I did the same thing with my nose. Just watch how I'm doing it. Straight line on the side of my nose, just to get it a little bit more narrow if you choose. This is something that you can do. It's optional, honestly, and you still will look beautiful. All right, so I am going to highlight my nose by making a straight line down the bridge of my nose. All right, to just highlight it again. And I'm also gonna be putting it over the top of my lip. Make sure that I glow. I just love the look. This is optional again, guys. You don't have to do this. I will put in the description box below the highlighter that I use. But the beauty about this, everything is from the drugstore. So it's pretty affordable, and you can get your face beat and looking beautiful as ever.
All right, so the last step is pretty much adding your mascara or your lashes. I am just going to be adding 2 mascaras to my eyes to lengthen and volumize my lashes to get that natural look. But if you're a lashes person and you want to add lashes, go for it.
We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotion waterfall on me. Open up. Open up.
Hey, there it is. I'm just gonna add my setting spray, and I'm gonna think about the lipstick that I'm going to be adding, and then you will see the finished product when I'm done. I really do hope you guys enjoy my video. Please subscribe, like, share.
Bitch, you won't BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Open up, open up. Shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.